Guys, angling waterfall in Northern Hills, Bali right now. Check out that. Look at where I even am. What? I wanted to jump off somewhere, but my guy behind me was like, oh no, you don't do that. But this is one of a bunch of waterfalls that I am hunting today. Living life to the fullest, guys. This. And this, guys, is the Blue Lagoon. I just got to jump off that rope swing. What a surreal place, guys. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Say, come on, guys. We like adventure. Let's just go.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.